Hi guys, welcome back to the Cold Factory. It's Raquel. Today I am in top form when it comes to filming. I'm bulk filming today, so you're going to see me in the same black t-shirt. My hair's going to look the same in a whole lot of videos, but that's okay because I know that you guys always come here for information and for education. So I know you guys are really cool with me seeing, or rather me being in the same t-shirt for quite a few videos. Today I want to talk about why this product isn't working for my hair. And okay, let me make this a let's talk. So today's let's talk is going to be on why doesn't a certain product work for me. So on social media platforms or generally in the community, most of the time I will see people saying, oh, this product doesn't work for me, or this isn't a good product. And I think in today's video, I just want to kind of let you guys know that most of the time we blame a product when it's actually the health of your hair. And I see a lot of women who are transitioning or ladies that are very new on their journey, and they're like, I hate this product, it doesn't work. And I do get that we have different porosities, we have different hair types, and certain things might not work. But what I've seen just generally is people generally rush to blame a product for not working, other than really knowing what is the porosity of my hair, what is my protein and moisture balance, where am I with the actual health of my hair? Because remember, guys, a product is not going to change your hair. The product is rather going to enhance the state of where your hair is at. I can try so many different products, and I generally describe them in different ways other than this doesn't work, I hate this. You never hear me say that. I rather describe the way that a product works differently because my hair is generally in a very, very healthy state. So what I do want to say to you is if your hair is in a state where it's very, very dry and you need to now start adding moisture and also taking into consideration your protein balance, you might use a very, very moisturizing deep conditioner, and you'll use it and then say this doesn't work because you've used it once. Hold up on blaming the product, rather continue using the product. And as your hair gets healthier, that product will then start to shine and it will actually start working. So many times we push a product aside for not working when it's actually the general health of our hair that could be contributing to not allowing the product to shine the way that it actually does. Are there products that generally won't work for your hair? Absolutely. But this video is just more to get you guys to take a step back and kind of look at the health of your hair before blaming a product for not working. Something else I want to say in this Let's Talk, and I've said it many times in many videos, give a product a chance. Sometimes the product is not working the way you want it to work because of the season. Certain products might work really well in the wintertime, then in the summertime, or in the springtime, then in the autumn time. So take that into consideration as well before you rule out a product and blanket statement that this doesn't work. Put it aside. Also, use that product for 2 to 3 months. Finish that product and then make a decision that I'm never going to buy this product again. Most times we use it 2 or 3 times. I hate this product, not realizing the health of your hair, where you are on your natural hair journey, taking into consideration your protein moisture balance, the porosity of your hair. You're not really thinking about all of that, but this is the worst product on the market. So really be mindful is what this Let's Talk is about. Be mindful of where you are in your journey. Be mindful to revisit a product. I have personally done videos, and you can find the video on my channel, fail. Didn't like the product. I didn't like it. I revisited the product years later, and I actually kind of liked it because you'll find that companies also switch up the formulas. They change certain things, and then you're like, oh wow, I actually do like this. So I'm going to wrap up this video with saying, be very careful to rule out products and blame products for not working when there might be some personal responsibility that you can take. And as I said, products enhance your hair. They make your hair shine. So if your hair is dry and in a dry state, or you're transitioning, or you have some chemical damage, you have some heat damage, you can use the best gel on the market. You can watch a video and say, but Raquel said this gel is amazing. I used it and it's not. As I said, you might be transitioning, your curls might be in a state of getting healthier, you might need to cut off some dead hair. All these things really come into play when it comes to choosing a product. Or you might find that everybody's raving about a certain product and you don't really see what the hype is about. Look at the general health of your hair. Application is something else that also needs to be taken into consideration as well. How you're applying the products, and also what products you're pairing it off with as well. I know, as I said earlier, there might be some products that everybody loves and your hair doesn't. That's also okay as well. I also find on natural hair sites and on Facebook groups, if a lot of people like a product and maybe a prominent person in the community, or not necessarily prominent, maybe popular, or somebody that's always posting doesn't like a product, then everybody looks at the people that like it like, did you lie? Because this particular person doesn't like it. Again, they might be at a different stage in their journey. Even for those of us who make videos and stuff, that's why I'm always very mindful about the way I review products, because the season could be affecting it. Maybe my hair is just not feeling something, or it's going through, hair has a mind of its own. And then I review a product and I don't like it, and then we've got to be very mindful of a lot of things. So even when you see your favorite vlogger, your favorite YouTuber, your favorite naturalista, or somebody that you admire that doesn't like a product, also just take that in, be mindful of their opinions, and try it out and see how it works for your hair as well. So yeah, guys, that's a wrap for this Let's Talk on why the product isn't working for you. And as always, guys, you will see me again in another video. Before I even say goodbye, I should have said this at the beginning of the video, I do hair master classes. I have hair coaching sessions as well to help people and guide them along their journey. So drop me an email or a message or a comment, and if you're serious about your journey, I'm more than happy to help you along your journey. So guys, you'll see me again, or maybe you'll see me in a masterclass or in a hair coaching session. Bye.